farm lessons. Junior is playing a video game. Eddie comes into the room.
Junior, do you have homework today?
Yes, Dad. I have to write about farms.
Farms! I love farms! Did you know that cows make milk?
Yes, Dad. Everyone knows that.
And farmers wake up very early, at 4 in the morning.
Okay, Dad.
Junior keeps playing his video game.
Junior, you need to do your homework. Stop playing game.
I'm playing Farm World. It's a game about farms.
But that's a game. You need to write about real farms.
This game has real information about farms, Dad.
Really? What did you learn?
I learned that one cow makes 30 liters of milk every day. And farms use computers now.
Computers? On farms?
Yes, and I already finished my homework. I wrote 3 pages.
Junior shows Eddie his homework.
3 pages? When did you write this?
This morning. The game helped me learn everything.
A video game helped you with homework?
Yes. Do you want to play? You can learn about cows.
Eddie sits down.
How do I make the cow move?
Dad, that's not a cow. That's a horse.
Boo.